Hi there. Last video we tried to find the longer side. This time we're going to find the short side of a right angle triangle. Here we're going to use Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem is simply a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now in this case a and b are the two short sides and c is the longer side called the hypotenuse. Because we are looking for the short side, in this case the s, we have to rewrite this formula just to make life easier. So the longer side, c squared, take away one of the short side, will give us another short side. Now let's put that into perspective of, now I have been emphasizing label the nouns, so that could be a c, this is your b, and this one here can be a. Now why do we do that is so when we substitute values it's easier to place them in the right places. So in this case c is 10 squared minus b, which is 8 squared, which will give us a squared. Now using the calculator we have to substitute the values. So 10 squared minus 8 squared equals 36. Square root of the answer, that is 36, we get 6. So your answer in this case is a, in this case is 6. We're going to replace this a because the question was s is equal to that. We do not need that. We're going to rewrite this as saying s is equal to 6, and in this case I do not have units, so if you want you can just write units, and that is your final answer. Now let's try and do a second example. I'm just going to go and use the shortcut of the formula to find the short side. So a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. So we have 12 squared, take away 8 squared. Looking at the calculator, we have 12 squared, take away 8 squared, it's 80. So we're going to square root the answer. Answer is 8.94427, but in this case we are just going to use two decimal places, so the answer is 8.94. so we can say s is equal to 8.94 units. Now remember there is squared there, and because we square root the 12 squared minus 8 squared, the squared disappears and we are left with only s. So this is your second example. Please do practice, and thank you for watching.